their pronunciation, English grammatical, English fluency also. That's it. I'm accepting this opportunity. You
Okay.
understand?
Yeah, I got it. So may I know something about you?
Yeah, sure, surely. Why not? Sure. Yeah, actually, my full name's MD Imran Hussain. You can call me Imran, and I'm from Bangladesh, but I'm living in Sylhet city. Because of that, I'm a student of university.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm living in a city,
Okay.
and I'm from a small family, and I have got two brother, two sister, and
Okay.
also my father lives in the USA, and my mother is a domestic engineer. And what about you?
Oh, great. If your father is working in USA, so I think they are earning well because USA and Bangladesh is totally different. So what about your
Yeah,
plan? Are you interested to go USA?
yeah, definitely. My future plan is I wanna go to in the USA because I think they are have different kind of facilities, advantage, and as I mentioned you, my father live in a USA, so I believe that if I go there, so I can get
Yeah, of
better for
course.
all kind situations, right?
Yeah. So, bro, actually, one thing I want to know about your personal question, personal answer, why abroad country is so famous according to Asian country?
Oh well, I assume that foreign country is very popular because of that. Their their country's rule is very awesome, bro. You can't imagine it. Also their educational hospitals, office, their mainly their educational and government rules are very crucial and very uh, helpful for the individuals. But I think in the Asian also fine, but there are not much money, bro. Asian countries is I think Asian countries people are very poor, bro. They
Yeah.
are don't have enough, they are don't have enough money. But it's true. Money can everything in our lives. Money can happen everything in our lives. Without money, without without money, without life. I think, bro. Money is everything, right? So
Have
I think for a foreign country like European, American, they have a huge number of money, bro. You can imagine it. Okay.
Yeah, of course, seriously. So, bro, if I say about Asian countries, so there are lots of countries that like Japan and Saudi Arab. These countries
Yeah.
are so developed, and some country are poor, like our neighbor country. So, what is the reason the why these countries are too poor? No, you know?
Well, oh yeah, I know something about Saudi Arabia because I am a Muslim. Okay, so I believe that Saudi Arabia has a huge number of famous mountain, famous location. As it's a beautiful place in Saudi Arab. So Saudi Arab has lots of benefit, bro. Saudi Arab has lots of money also. In my in my in my Bangladeshi Indians, Nepali peoples are when they are because
Yeah.
can you hear me, bro?
Yeah, I'm hearing you properly. I am audible to you proper. I have no problem.
Yeah, Bangladeshi, India, Nepalese people, they want to go Saudi Arab because Saudi Arab has some some job platform, right?
Hmm.
So, so also I think Saudi Arab has a beautiful places also. Yeah.
Yeah,
Beautiful, yeah. So
yeah,
that's it. And also they have a special meanings. You
yeah, great.
understand?
Yeah, I understand it. Okay.
So so can you tell me about you little bit?
What you know about me? Just tell.
Yeah, about yourself, about your future plan.
Actually, bro, I am a student. I have no much future plan because before I was interested that we have a plan that I can go abroad. But according to my economic situation, I think we are not able to go abroad. Before time, I was much interested that after completed my graduation, I will go abroad for study purpose. There, I will prepare for master. Then I can do some job. But still, I have no any economic strong economic source that I can go abroad. So that's the reason we thought a little dream. I am fulfill my little dream, and I want to become English speaker. That's the reason I am spending much time to this application. And when I got free time, we used to help needy. So this is my little
Yeah.
dream. I want fulfill this desire.
Oh, thanks, bro. Sounds good. Yeah, money situation is very difficulty for every individual's life, right? Many many people are suffering the financial issue. Like you said that you are interested to go foreign country for higher education, but you cannot right now you cannot think it because you think it's not possible or not capable for you, right? But don't worry. But don't worry, bro. I think in future you can get the opportunity and do your hard work, do your struggle, do your do your do your mind setup also in one goal. Okay?
Bro,
Do not
one thing I want to know about your country. In my India there are lots of people, they used to beg, beg.
what? Can
Beg,
you repeat me?
beg means like poor people, like who people they are much poor, they used to beg. Beg in the sense some people have money, they used to give them that they can eat, that they can drink.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
right. I understand you.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, 100% true. In my country, lots of people are very charity person. They also supportive person. They want to give support for the poor people, or as well as who, who are facing very unfortunate situation, like they don't have any home accommodation, right? They have own accommodation, also as well as family members. So this type of people, my country is like very much for help.
So, bro, you tell me a reason how you can make rich in these people. Have you any idea about these people? Because these people, if will grow in their life, so our country will be automatic developed.
Yeah,
What
you're
is your
right.
perspective plan about it? For example, someone have told you speak about poorness. So what would you like to mention? Please tell me something about it.
Well, sure, why not, bro? I think in my countries or others countries who are very rich people,
Mm-hmm.
definitely they are doing something like that. They have some business. They have something budget, something invest their money. So definitely they have lots of money. So if they support the poor people who are who are facing difficulty, who are facing unless accommodation, unless home. Okay, so at this people, if they they can help. So I think any countries will be developed. Any countries people will can live properly. Okay,
Yeah, surely.
and it's the reason, bro. It's the reason, bro. There should be a supportive person, bro. Without supportive person, a nation cannot able to a successful nation, right? Without supportive, without charity, without education, any people cannot do their successful life. I think, bro. I
Yeah,
believe that. And you, what do you
seriously.
think about it?
Yeah, seriously, your question answer is right. But according to me, one thing you can add also, because our government will provide some free education of these people. So they should notice about they will interested in education, so definitely they can achieve something in their life, because education is the most of the important element for human life. If you are educated, so you are a human, otherwise your behavior like a animal. So that's the reason
Yeah,
I would like to prepare for education. That's it's government can only provide. If you are a normal person, if you are providing free education, so you will not able to do for every big person. If government will take action about these people, so they can improve our economical situation, bro.
yeah, right, bro, right.
Yeah.
Obviously, why not?
So
But I want
I think
it with them.
according to me, which country are poor, so it is the main role of government, because government is not caring about that people.
Yes, definitely, definitely. On this issue, government have to play a vital role because without government roles, it can't solve easily. Like if I want to be a lawyer, so I will definitely make some rules about the study, about the hospitals, and about the poor people.
Mhm.
If I say something about the rules, I will must be rules. Everyone have to do study minimum 5 to 10 class. Okay,
Yeah.
it will be must, because in this generation, without minimum age signature, we can do anything, like our nationality card, uh, our everything, bro. You can imagine signature, bro. Without signature, we cannot do anything properly, right? Whenever we want to make our passport, at that time we need to signature, right? Whenever we want to admission, anything for anything, or whenever we want to apply for a job, for anything, bro. At the time we have to need a signature. So I think if anyone learning at least class 5, so they they have to must at the signature, bro, and it will be very nice. Minimum
Yeah.
5. And if anyone able to pass secondary school, so it will be good, I think, because in my country I can see lots of people are doing their job,
Mhm.
and they are passing their secondary school.
Mhm.
And whenever he wanted to the job, at that time he submit to their certificate, their nationality card. uh, I think it's the reason, bro. It's the reason. If you want to a job, if you want to a middle classes job, bro, so you must be need to a certificate,
Of course.
like SSC certificate. You understand?
Yeah, of course, bro. It's right manner for anything.
Yes, right, bro.
Yeah.
It's
So
without government high classes rule, it's not possible, bro. Right?
yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Nice thought you have. Actually, I have asked discussed this session because I want to know about your thought, your country thought, how much thought your country people can do. That's why we have discussed about this topic. Very interesting topic we had discussion today.